Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the dictionary comprehensions in Python. In the previous video, where we have discussed about the list comprehensions, similar way in this video we will discuss about the dictionary comprehensions. So it is just similar the way of how we create the list, but here it will be the key value pair. So when we have learning about the dictionary, so dictionary is basically key value pair. Similar way, this comprehensive will also work. So first let's understand what will be the syntax for this one. So it is just like the list only, big bracket, then we have to write the key expression. Here the one new thing, we have to define the key. So this is the key basically. Then we have to use the colon, and the next what we have to do, we have to use the value expression. So this is the next thing. Then the same for item in any iterable object or syntax, and then if condition. Again, if condition is the optional, if you want to use it, you can use it. So it is just similar way. So key expression define the key in the resulting dictionary. Value expression, it defines the value associated with each key. And for item in iterable is similar to the list, like it iterate over each item in the iterable. Again, it can be anything, list or range. And if condition is the optional, if we want to give any condition based on that. So let's take the same example which we have taken the list only, called square. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to define it, how we choose it. So basically to define it here, what we have to do, here we have to use the curly braces. So here I put the big bracket, it should be the curly braces. So like curly braces defined for the dictionary that we know, and big bracket is for the list. So here we have to use the curly braces. And now how we define it? So first let's x, this is my key, and then colon, and next what we have to do, we have to give the expression. So this is the expression I'm giving, and then for x in, and then range. For an example, here I'm giving 5, and let's print it first. So print, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the square, and when I will run this at point of this time, you are seeing it is giving us key value pair. Means here also we have taken the x, and here we have taken the value on this x. So x will be every time when it is counting. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the way we are doing. Means in every new line we are taking this. Now on this, if we want any condition, so similar, we can put like module. If I want to put equal to 0, and when I will run this, we are seeing the same result, which is divisible by the 2. So this is the way we can do. Now another thing, if we want to swap the key and value in the dictionary, then how we can do? For with this, it is again the simple. So what I will take a one original dictionary, and here what I am going to do, I'm going to define, like for an example, A will be the 1, and B will be the 2, and C will be the 3. So this is the dictionary I have taken. Now I want to swap it. So how I can do? So here I will take like swap, and here what I will do, I'll just write first of all the key which I want, and then we have what we have to write, we have to use the key here for key. So this is the key I'm taking, and then value in original dot item. So on this one I'm going through the loop. So now here it is giving error, and the reason is because we have one space on this one, and same goes for this also. And now copy this and put it here. When I will run this logic, here you will see A is 1, B equal to 2, and C is 3. Is the original one. Means this is the key, A is the key, B is the key, and C is the key, and their value. But after swap, when I will put it, and we will run this, it will be swapped. Means the value was there, it will become the key now, and then which was the key is become the value. So this is the way we can swap it. Even we can call the function also. Means here is the value. If I want to take the words as we have taken the list, we can use the words as well. Apart from that, if you want the Now, if I want to make the nested dictionary comprehensive, so how I can make? So let's make a little changes here. What I want to do, I'm just going to take a one table variable, means it will be a multiplication table basically. And here we have to use the curly braces for dictionary, and let's take the key as a x, and then again curly braces. And the reason, because inside this we are going to take another dictionary comprehensive, and this variable name I'm taking as a y, then colon, and then what I'm going to do, expression. So x multiply with y. So this will be my expression. For here I'm taking y, and then in range of, so this multiplication I'm making 1 to 6. So 1 comma 6 means it will go with the 5. So that we know about the range, means the number which we are starting and the ending. 6 is the ending, so it will go before that only, it will complete before that only. So this is the internal dictionary comprehensive. Now the next thing what we have to do, we have to use complete for the outsider, means for x1. So for x, and then in again the range, and this will also go with the same 1 comma 6. So this is the expression. Now if I will copy and just paste it, and when I will run this, you will see 1, and this is the inside expression, means 1 1 2 2 3 3, and for one dictionary is the same. What if I will take as a 0 here, and when I will run this, it is giving the error because it's saying it's, and reason is obvious, because on index 0 there is nothing, there is no key. So how you will figure it out? For an example, when I will, let me run this again, and here you are saying there is no key which starts from the 0. So what we have to do, index is 1. So when I will run this, it will give us, this is the value. And when we were learning about the dictionary, I told you, like, if you are not finding in this way, like if we can even use the get also. So in that case, when I will run and when I will find with the 0, it will give none because there is no value. With that, if it is not finding, what you can do, you can just write not found if anything is not found, then not found, because on the 0 there is nothing, and when I will run with the 1, we can see the output. So this is the way we can implement the dictionary comprehensive. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, and